is today? I almost forgot. Oh no, I need to get a present. Oh no! I have no gift. What am I gonna do? This is a total disaster. I'm not ready.
I can't wait for the party! Oh, this is wonderful! Thank you! The perfect surprise!
Wow, a birthday cake for me? Thank you. I've decided. A surprise party right here in the Star Garden. A surprise party? Yay!
Mission mode activated.
Careful, sweetie. Shh, almost there. I see you, little sneak.
Time to get ready for my secret mission. Adventure clothes, check. Now for supplies, paper and crayons, and my piggy bank savings. All set, let's go.
I have to be quiet so Mama Cat doesn't hear me. Almost there! The window is just ahead. I can't wait to see my friends.
Knock, knock! Clover, Petal, are you home?
Ginger Cat, we missed you!
Yay, you're here! Come on in!
I'm so happy to see you both. We have so much to show you.
Shh. Come closer. I have a secret plan for an adventure.
What is it?
Tell us. We're sneaking into the garden tonight.
Okay, I've got a plan.
What is it?
A conspiracy of kindness. We'll spread joy secretly.
I love it. Me too. It's brilliant.
Shh, it's a secret.
I'm in. I'll help with decorations. That's the spirit, Clover. You're perfect for it. You can count on me. All right, let's get started.
For the party, I could make flower garlands. I'm good at delicate things.
Ooh, that sounds lovely, Powers.
Great idea.
Yes, yeah.
I'll start right away.
Thank you both for everything.
You're welcome, Ginger Cat.
Yeah, anytime. Gotta run to the next stop. Now! Oliver, I have a plan for a surprise party. We'll decorate with star charts, invite everyone, and have cake. What do you think? It sounds wonderful, Ginger Cat. I've been thinking. We should plan the party schedule.
Great idea, but how do we start?
I'll write the invitations. My organized nature is perfect for this.
You're the best, Oliver.
Wow, Oliver, you're so clever.
Thank you, little one.
Thanks for everything. I have to go tell Whiskers.
Of course, run along.
Whiskers, wait up!
Hazel, I'm here! Whew, that was a run. Hope you're home. I've got something amazing to show you. Culps.
That was the best hug ever.
It was, but I have a secret.
Ooh, a secret. Tell me.
Shh, we're throwing a surprise birthday party for Fluffy.
Hazel, you're part of the secret plan.
Really? I'm so thrilled. Yeah, this is the best.
I knew you'd love it.
I'm going to bake the most amazing birthday cake ever. I'll need flour, sugar, and lots of eggs.
Wow, Hazel, that sounds delicious.
And the best frosting. It's going to be perfect.
Hazel, we did it.
Ginger, all our friends are ready.
Thank you! Phase 1 is complete.
Yay! This is just the beginning. Let's go tell them. Bye, see you tomorrow. Be careful sneaking back. I will.
Almost there. Okay, in we go. Quiet now.
Yes, Mama's still asleep. Mission successful.
Ginger, sweetie, where have you been?
Oh, Mama, I was just exploring.
Exploring? You look like you're up to something. No, just playing. Where have you been? You look worried.
Oh, I was just playing in the backyard.
Really? You seem a bit sweaty.
It's hot out. Gotta go.
Mama, I can explain everything.
Go on, dear.
I was just playing, and the hat was there, and then I saw the birds.
I see.
You do seem different today.
It's day 2. Time to go.
Be careful, Ginger.
Ginger's here.
Yay! What did you bring?
I brought the craft supplies.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Okay, team, let's make some lanterns.
I'll get the paper ready. I'll draw the stars.
Great. Let's stick them together.
It's looking great. We did it.
This star will look perfect on the lantern. Yes, Mama Cat will love it.
The banner is ready. Happy flower garlands are so pretty. She'll be so happy.
I'm going to make the most beautiful garlands for Mama Cat's party.
They'll be perfect, Petal. You're so good at this.
Look, this one is almost done.
Wow, it's stunning. She'll love it.
Stars! Let's make lots of stars.
Yeah, you're so fast. Whee! Flying stars everywhere. You're amazing. I'm almost done with the invitation. Wow, it looks amazing. Here it is. You're invited to Mama Cat's surprise birthday party. I love the moon drawings.
Okay, Mama Cat's perfect cake. I can do this. First, cream the butter and sugar. 2 cups of flour. Perfect. In it goes. This will be perfect. This is for Mama Cat's surprise party. It'll be perfect. Delicious. Just the right amount of sweetness. A little more mixing, and it's ready for the oven.
Just stirring this mixture, nothing to see here. Now to hide these before anyone notices. Phew, almost done. Almost done.
Shh, don't tell Mama. It's a surprise.
Ginger, what are you up to?
Nothing, Mama. Just a game.
A game? You seem worried. Ginger Cat is away again. I wonder if something is wrong.
Ready, Petal? Let's get this garden ready. I'm on it, Clover. Garlands first. Banners up. Looks great. Table steady. Cake's perfect. We did it. So beautiful.
Hazel, it's incredible.
I wanted it to be special for Mama.
It looks like the night sky. She'll love it.
Happy birthday, Ginger Cat! Thanks, everyone. I'm going to wake Mama Cat now. Yay, you can do it! I will. See you soon. Wake up, Mama.
Ginger, what a lovely bow.
Yes, Mama, it's a very special day.
Oh, how wonderful. And what is the occasion?
It's a surprise, Mama. I can't wait. Mama, come quick. You have to see the new flower in the garden.
A new flower? All right, show me.
It's so pretty. This way.
It is, my dear. You have a good eye.
Mama, let's go on an adventure.
All right, but first, my sweater.
Hurry, Mama. The door is right there.
I'm coming, dear. What's the rush? It's a surprise.
Mama Cat, look, the star garden.
It's how I see it, my little one. Your excitement is contagious.
I feel my heart racing. Let's hurry. All right, lead the way. I'm right behind you. Mama, let's go see.
All right, dear, lead the way.
It's getting sparkly. I think I see something.
Oh, I see it now.
A magical gate.
Indeed it is.
Wow, you are all hiding.
This is amazing!
Thank you. Surprise! Whoa, surprise! We're so happy to see you. We planned this just for you. This is the best surprise ever.
Oh, my goodness. This is all for me? I'm so touched.
Happy birthday, Mama Cat!
Wow, what a beautiful birthday surprise.
Happy birthday, Mama Cat.
Thank you. This garden is magical.
We love you.
This is the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday happy birthday, dear Mama Cat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama Cat.
Mama, did you like the party?
Oh, my sweet kitten. I loved it. Oh, Ginger, my sweet kitten, I'm so glad you're safe.
I love you, Mama.
Room for 2 more?
We're all here now, together forever.
This is incredible. How did you do all this?
It was a surprise for you, Mama.
Look, everyone, the banner I hung.
And here are the flower garlands I made.
I have the invitations right here.
And I made this beautiful cake.
Thank you, my dear friend.
Anytime, Mama Cat, we're here for you.
And you, sweet one, your generosity warms my heart.
Thank you, love you, Mama Cat.
All right, everyone, time to cut the cake. Wow, Hazel, it's magnificent. Look at all the candles.
Chirp, time for a wish.
Shh, let me make my wish. Ready, Mama Cat? One big breath. Wow, Hazel, it looks amazing. I really hope you like it.
Delicious! It's the best!
So, really? You're not just saying that?
This is the most precious gift in the world.
That is so sweet.
My glasses are fogging up.
I'm so happy for them.
There, there. The evening will bring magic.
I hope so. It's so sad. Look, the moonflowers are blooming.
And fireflies. Yay, a party.
My sweet Ginger, thank you for this.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, my dear. This is perfect. It's our perfect ending. My dear, this garden is magical, isn't it?
Yes, Mama. Thanks.
If you enjoy our adventures, thank you for being part of our world. Thank you for sharing this magical night with us.
We love you. Come back soon. Goodbye. We had so much fun.
Until next time, in our star garden.
The trees look so strange. The colors are different. I wonder why.
Mama, something's wrong.
What is it, dear?
I saw a shadow by the garden.
A shadow? Come here, it's all right.
Okay, Mama.
Mama, outside the tree!
What is it, dear?
The colors, come on!
All right, show me.
See?
Isn't it amazing? Ginger, my dear, I see you're worried. Let me explain. Sometimes things change, and that's okay. Look, little one, the leaves are changing. They fall, and the trees rest for winter. Then, new leaves grow in spring.
Wow!
Exactly. Every season has its beauty. Oh, Ginger Cat, I have the perfect idea.
Really? What is it, Mama Cat?
We'll explore the beautiful autumn leaves together.
Wow, I can't wait.
You'll love it, I promise. Ginger, look what I found!
What is it, Mama?
The Sunshine Farm Autumn Harvest Festival.
See the pumpkins?
Wow! And apple trees. Can we go? Fun.
Look, Kitten, the Sunshine Farm Harvest Festival.
A farm with hay rides? But I'm a little scared. And then inside! Look at!
Mama, is it time for the festival?
Yes, my little pumpkin, let's get you ready. Arms up, sweetie. These will keep you cozy. Now the beanie.
My, what left the maid to time?
Wow, look! The Autumn Harvest Festival is today.
Yes, Ginger Cat, it looks so fun.
I'm so excited. My new outfit is perfect.
You look adorable. Let's go.
Yay! Adventure time! Mama, look! The leaves are calling us.
They are, my dear. We can't go out just yet.
But why? I'm ready.
Patience. One last thing.
So pretty.
Crunch. Hee hee.
Mama, the farm looks so beautiful.
It certainly does, sweetie. Let's go see the Harvest Festival.
Yay, I can't wait.
Me too. Come on, let's go.
Welcome to the Autumn Harvest Festival. We're so glad you could join us. Come on in, friends. Welcome. So glad you could make it.
Thank you, Papa Bear. It's lovely to be here.
And you must be Ginger Cat. A pleasure.
Hi, Papa Bear.
Let's enjoy the farm.
Welcome, little ones. I've brought you some warm apple cider to taste the flavors of autumn. Here you go. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks, smells wonderful. This is the most delicious thing ever.
I'm glad you like it, little one.
Wow, Mama Bear, is that your family?
Yes, come meet Maple and Acorn.
Yay! Hi, Maple. Hi, Acorn.
Your beanie is so cute.
Cool, let's play. Yeah. Hi there. Want to play with us? Hi, I'd love to.
Yay, come on over.
Yeah, join us. Okay, thank you.
Hi, we're Maple and Acorn.
Hi.
I'm Ginger Cat.
Want to be friends? Yes, best friends.
Wow, you guys, this is the best day ever.
I know, let's go explore the woods.
Yeah, we can find more acorns. Let's horse that.
This is going to be so much fun.
This is the best day. Yeah.
Friends forever.
Look at them, so sweet.
Reminds me of us.
So happy for them.
Look at that orchard. How about we go apple picking?
Yes, I love apples. Yay, let's go.
All right, everyone, follow me.
Wow, so many apples.
It smells so fresh and sweet.
Let's pick some for a pie.
Great idea. This is the best orchard.
Wow, look how the apples grow right on the branches.
Yeah, it's like magic. It's the best magic ever.
All right, Ginger Cat, let's pick this one gently.
Oh, my God.
Just twist it gently, see?
I got it. My turn.
Oh.
Wow, Mama.
They are beautiful. Let me help you reach one.
Yes, please. I want the big red one.
There you go. Wrap your paws around it.
Yeah.
Look, everyone, I found the perfect apple.
It's so big and shiny.
Wow, great job. Yeah, it's perfect.
Thanks. Let's go show everyone.
Look, Acorn, my apples are so shiny and red. They're nice, Maple, but I've picked way more. Wow, your arms are full. Let me help.
No way. I can carry them all. We'll see about that.
Wow, look at all these apples.
Let's get the best ones.
I'll catch them. Got one. It's a big one. Perfect. I see more over there. Teamwork is the best. Let's fill the wagon with these apples. I'll get the green ones. And I'll add the reds.
Great work, kids. Now let's pull this home.
What a harvest!
Look at this apple. Harvest time is the best. It looks so yummy. Yeah, what's next? Next stop, the pumpkin patch. Wow, look at all the pumpkins. So many. Let's go.
Come on, let's race through the pumpkins.
I'm right behind you.
Wow, these pumpkins are huge.
Let's go around this one.
This is so much fun.
This one. It's the perfect match. I'll hug you forever and ever.
Oh, my sweet kitten, what a wonderful choice.
It's the best one.
It may be small, but it's perfect for you.
This one's cute, but I want a bigger one. Over here, Maple, this one's perfect.
I found the perfect tall one.
Way sweet.
Yay for me. Papa Bear, this pumpkin is perfect.
It's a fine one, Acorn, but it's a bit too big for you.
No, I can do it.
How about we find a just right one together?
Okay, Papa. Wow, so many pumpkins. This is the best autumn ever. Ooh, a corn maze. Sunshine Farm corn maze. Can I find my way?
All right, everyone, the maze awaits.
I'm so excited, but it's a little spooky. Don't worry, we'll stick together.
Right. Adventure time.
Look what I found, a cornhoise. Wow, it's so tall. Let's go explore. Stick with me, adventure awaits. Whoa, a real maze. Let's go.
This way, the pumpkins are huge.
Uh-oh. It's a dead end.
Oops. Oops. Yeah, adventure.
Hey, I know the way. Follow me.
Yay, let's go.
This way. It's a shortcut. Oh, it's a dead end again.
I think the exit is this way.
How can you tell, Maple?
I'll climb up and check it. There, I see it. Yay, let's go.
We're almost there. Keep going.
I see the exit. Yeah, let's go.
Woohoo!
We did it.
We made it. High fiver.
Best team ever.
We did it! We conquered the maze!
My brave explorers, you made it!
I'll miss you.
It was so much fun today!
Hey,
Group hug!
Wow, look! A hay pyramid!
let's go. Let's go. Racing to the top.
I'm climbing the highest.
This is the best playground ever.
I can make it to the top!
Right behind you. Let's go. Whoa, almost slid. Come on. We're almost there. Yay, you did it. We reached it. Kings of the Castle. Ready, set. That was awesome.
Yay! That was awesome! Yee, so a chassis! This is the best!
Yeah, perfect.
Totally!
All right, everyone, it's time for the best part.
Yay! What is it, Papa Bear?
The giant maple tree, the heart of autumn.
It's beautiful. Let's go.
Wow, look at that tree.
It's the most beautiful tree I've ever seen.
It really is magnificent.
Look, the tree is moving.
It's the wind. The leaves are starting to fall.
They're so pretty. This is just the beginning.
Of something magical. Look at all these beautiful leaves.
Wow, they're like magic!
Dance with them, Ginger.
Autumn is beautiful.
Cat's it, little one. Dance in the magic.
My brave kitten, you've learned the lesson perfectly. My heart is so full. Come on, everyone, let's dance!
Yay! Love the leaf.
Here we go. A big one.
This is so much fun!
Best friends forever.
It's time to say goodbye now. I'll miss you, Maple and Acorn. I promise we'll visit again soon.
We'll miss you too.
Safe travels, friends.
Until next time.
Time to go, my little one.
Okay, Mama, I'm ready.
Goodbye, friends. Safe travels.
Thank you. We'll miss you. What a lovely harvest, my dear. It is. I love our walk home. The sunset makes everything so beautiful.
I can't wait to show Papa.
We're almost home, my dear. It looks so cozy and warm. Yes, and with our treasures, we're ready for the next adventure. Adventure awaits. We're home. Time to bake. Yay! Can I help? Of course. Let's start mixing. Perfect. It'll be a wonderful pie. All right, little one. Let's peel these apples for our pie.
Okay, Mama, I can help.
Good. Hold it steady. Okay, I think it's ready.
Yay! To the oven.
In it goes.
I smell it already. Wonderful.
Ginger, what did you learn about autumn today?
I learned that shooting stars bring wishes.
And the pumpkins glow to guide us. Change is beautiful.
Change can be beautiful, you know.
How so?
Like the seasons, they're magical.
I see now. It's a lesson.
Yes, a lesson understood.
Hello, friends. Welcome to my cozy autumn garden. If you enjoy these moments, please subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for joining us in this magical autumn garden.
It's been so much fun. We'll miss you.
Celebrate the beauty of change with us.
Bye. See you soon.